Most people use AI to write heading, caption, description, script. I have used AI to scale $9 million business in 4 months. So we have covered this video in four different phases. So let's start with phase 1, AI for market intel. Now after understanding the business, industry, nature, everything, what I did was I researched about the target audience. I went to Reddit, Quora, Amazon reviews, sport chats, and sales call scripts, and also the previous data. I find out user pain point, target audience, their pain point, weaknesses, desires, and goals. What user wants, how we can trigger their pain point, their weaknesses, and how we can create a solid offer and offer user feel stupid to refuse. So first we need more information about our user, what they are saying about business, what are their pain point, weaknesses. We can find them in Reddit, Quora, Amazon reviews, Amazon products reviews, and also we can find in our competitor ads comments. So after understand what our uses are, what their phase are, our audience type, their funnel, those 3% awareness and their strategies, we need to understand these audience pain point, weaknesses. Then we can use them, the exact pain point, the exact weaknesses, to our offer. We can create an offer like let's say if you provide SEO services, you can say that we will rank your website on top of the search engine within 6 to 12 months without using backlink strategy, or if we don't, we will work for you for the next 6 months for free. So this is an risk reversal offer. You can create offer using audience pain point, weaknesses, desire, all that kind of stuff. So we need from this platform, we need to find out user at least 10 pain point, 10 weaknesses. What are their objection, why they are not buying the products of ours or our competitors, what are the main reason, objection, their desires, their goals. And our next step is create an offer and message. We can create 10 hooks, and we can create 3 to 4 different offer to trigger our audience in 3 different phases. So after creating 10 offer per pain point, and we can also convert user objection to scripts, and we can also convert user objection to add creatives. We can mention in our landing page or in our books or in our ads, headline, descriptions, captions, everywhere. So we also need to create 3 different offers. The one is entry level, core, and premium. And after doing all that stuff, all that research, then let's say we did that all research, and then we create 10 hooks per pain point, per objection, or per weaknesses, their desire, their goal, what they want us to listen, what exactly their needs are. So after doing that, we need to create some creative. So we could run some ads on Meta, TikTok, Google, or LinkedIn. We can do some testing for 1 or 2 weeks. We can go out there and we can touch some ads creative, some static post, carousel, and video creatives. We can change headline, description. We can play with user psychology, their pain point, weaknesses. And after running 30 different angles ads, we will definitely get 10 to 12 winner creatives, and then we can scale three ads creative. And after doing all that stuff, the next step is email. The next step is automation. We can use different tools like if you are into leads business, like if you are in any industry and you need more leads, more clients, more customer, you can use CRM to further nurture. And also you need email marketing. Email marketing works very well. I have been using this for many of my clients for last almost 4 to 5 years, and we have increased our revenue by 30, 40, even 50%, by using this one tool. You can use any tool like Mailchimp, Klaviyo, ActiveCampaign, and many tools. All works almost the same. So email works very best. If you're running ads, you can just create a landing page, then you can give away some valuable stuff like you can give away books, checklist, or winning research reports, or anything in exchange of user email. And when they gave you their email, you can nurture your audience. You can send your recent clients case studies, you can send your other resource, other guides, you can send video sale letter of around 10 to 15 minutes video, 20-minute video. You need to guide them, you need to educate them. This email marketing will build trust, show proof. It will show that you are actually good at what you are currently doing. So email marketing, email workflow works very best. And you also need CRM. You need to track from the beginning of the stage. You need to track open rate, bounce rate, and your conversion rate, and all that kind of tracking. While you can also use some other tools which are very useful. In this video I'm only talking about AI. You can also use GA4 Tag Manager, GA4 for tracking. GA4 works very well if you need a very customized data, if you need to track session per second and user journey. Or also you can use Microsoft Clarity for conversion rate on landing page. So these are the same process, same funnel I use to scale my businesses. I have scaled many industries. Like it's work almost on every industry, whether it's real estate, automotive, insurance company. Just find your competitor pain point, weaknesses, their desire, their goal, and then create some hooks, some objection scripts, offer, create a landing page and mention, and again trigger those offers, trigger those pain point, their weaknesses. User must feel like that this business is directly talking to user, directly talking to them. So then we can use AI to write more creative headlines, video scripts, and we can also use other tools like ads library. Go to ads library, find out your 10 to 15 competitors, how many ads and what kind of ads they are running. Then rewrite those ads and find out the best winning ads of many of your competitors. Then create some your own ads better than them. Then you need this automation. So scaling a business is very easy. I can also send you my complete roadmap of how I create funnel for different businesses. And even I have a roadmap of 6 to 12 month, my battle tested roadmap how I scale businesses. I can send in your inbox as well. And in the next video I'm gonna teach you how I create funnel for businesses, whether it's e-commerce industry, real estate, automotive, insurance companies, health, and education, and industry.